you, my fellow Bosconians, for your spectacular performance that really brought joy and energy to our event. It is with immense honor and respect that I now invite a person whose vision and commitment have shaped not only this institution but also the community around us. His esteemed presence today adds a special significance to this event. Ladies and gentlemen, it gives me great pleasure to invite Reverend Father John Josiyama, the Provincial of Shillong Province, to share with us his valuable thoughts. Father, Kongayan stage Tusoi Turin, Kanso Mache.
Dear Father Sebastian Palati, the Principal of Don Bosco School, Agartala, Father Dinesh, the Vice Principal, and all the council members of the Salesian Province of Shillong, and dear fathers, brothers, sisters, dear parents, and my dear students, it's really my joy to be in your midst this evening to celebrate with you this 24th annual day of the school. We already began yesterday. Yesterday was also, I was here. I was present for the first day, yesterday evening. The juniors performed. Today, the rest of the students are performing. It is really a joy to see with the parents and the students coming together to witness the beautiful performances of our dear children. And so here we are in Don Bosco School. So we are fortunate to have Don Bosco School here in Agartala. So as we know, Don Bosco is a father and teacher of youth. And so we have a picture here, Don Bosco with the young people, with the children. So Don Bosco, a priest in Italy, 160 years ago, began his work for the young people, transforming the lives of young people, to change the lives of young people, to make them become good human persons, good leaders, and also honest citizens. That was his aim of his education. And so after 160 years, his works continue even now in all the continents of the world. At present, we, the followers of Don Bosco, Salesian fathers and brothers, and also the members of the Salesian family, together with all of us, more than 13,000 Salesian fathers and brothers working in 137 countries, working for the young people, transforming the lives of young people. And so we are, once again I say, that we are fortunate to have such one institution, one school here in Agartala. And so we continue this one. We follow Don Bosco, and we try to continue to spread his message, following his charism, and in a special way, his approach and his method of education. And so in his method of education, very important one element is there, that is a family spirit. And family spirit and loving kindness. And so we are gathered here this evening also like a family. We belong to Don Bosco family. And so because of him that we gather here and we are all here. And so we are forming a family, Don Bosco's family. And so we have to experience love, understanding, and respect, appreciation, and all of us should feel at home. Exactly like in the place of Don Bosco, in the oratory of Don Bosco, all the boys, those who were there with him, they felt at home. They experienced fatherly love. They experienced the love of God, and they formed a family. And so in all our institutions, in all our schools, we want to continue to create this family atmosphere, to form the family of Don Bosco, to follow his footsteps, transforming and changing the lives of young people to become better human persons and honest citizens. So I invite all of you, or especially our parents, those who are participating, those who are witnessing this annual day, to collaborate with us, to continue to work with us, to feel sense of belonging to this Don Bosco family, to this school to work together for the good of our students, our children who are going to be future leaders of our country and our society. May God bless each one of us. Have a pleasant evening together with us. Thank you very much. God bless you all.
Thank you, Father, for sharing such wonderful words with us. जब तक प्रकृति है जब तक प्रकृति है तब तक जीवन है.
Grace, a little correction. It's not Pakarti, it's Prakriti.
Oh, thank you for correcting me. जब तक प्रकृति है तब तक जीवन है. Now we turn to a vital message protecting our environment with a skit that will inspire us, with a performance that reminds us of the beauty of nature and our role in preserving it.
We'd also like to thank the teachers in charge of this item, Sir Mrinal Devnath,
Sir Subhadeep De,
and Miss Sangeeta De for mentoring them. So audience, let's welcome them on the stage with a big round of applause. Thank you.
A peaceful village morning unfolds, with the golden rays of the sun warming the earth. A farmer, content and focused, waters his plants in the garden, nurturing them with care. Villagers sweep the streets, their brooms rustling as they tidy the paths. The air is fragrant with the scent of blooming flowers, their vibrant colors painting the landscape. In the heart of the scene, a joyful girl dances barefoot, her laughter filling the air as she twirls in the freshness of the morning, embodying the spirit of happiness and harmony in the village. Together, they create a vibrant tapestry of community and cooperation.
The village market, the place bustles with activity as vendors proudly display their freshest produce and handmade goods. As one enters the market square, the visual feast begins. Buyers move through the stalls, inspecting goods, haggling with vendors, and filling their baskets with the day's best offerings. The air is alive with the sounds of friendly bargaining and the occasional call of a vendor promoting their goods. Sunlight casts a golden glow, illuminating the smiles of shoppers and vendors. The atmosphere is a mix of excitement and community, as both the sellers and buyers engage in the simple pleasure of a lively market day.
Once the land was lush and abundant, a small family farm flourishing under the care of a dedicated farmer and her young daughter. But everything changed when a fierce storm tore through, leaving uprooted trees, flooded fields, and crops destroyed in its wake. Now, the farmer stands in the aftermath, looking over what was once their thriving land, faced with the heartbreaking reality that the farm they poured their lives into may never be the same. The farm they built together may not survive. Constructors and woodcutters arrive with orders to clear the very trees that have helped turn this land into a heaven for the community.
In a time of In a time of relentless drought, a farmer and his daughter returned to their once thriving farm, only to find it barren and hopeless. The crops they worked so hard to grow lie shriveled, the earth cracked under the strain of a waterless season. As the weight of their struggle and loss becomes too much to bear, the farmer falls into deep despair. Unable to see a path forward, he makes a heartbreaking decision, leaving his daughter alone to face an uncertain future.
The story you just witnessed is not at all a new one.
All across the world, and especially in rural India, farmers face the devastating impact of deforestation, pollution, and the depletion of natural resources.
This story is a call to action, a reminder that without protecting our air, water, and land, we risk losing not only the livelihoods of the people who depend on it, but our lives as well.
So let's start before it's too late. Even a tiny change matters in fighting for Mother Nature.
Let this skit be the guiding light that shows us the path towards net zero.
Wow, that was truly a moral lesson for everyone.
It was indeed.
But first of all, Angela, ngoro thangla,
Tani ang tamo kay.
ngoro thangla ba?
Tani ang tamo kay sa.
Because I want to have the title of being the best anchor for tonight's show.
Ah, as if I will let you.
Fine, all right, just leave it at that. So before we dive in to witness an expression of art, which is the cultural dance of the indigenous people, let us not forget the tireless efforts of Miss Rosemary Tripura
Miss Martha Rangkol,
and Miss Purnima Debarma.
Riyang and Debarma, the oldest tribe of Tripura. And the dance performance we are about to witness isn't just an ordinary dance performance.
In fact, it is a showcase of our identity. So please join us in welcoming the performers on the stage.
नखरा करी हुई कर्मती थंगतेरो गानाती कोली बाइली खे किछा जोली जागैया लगती तेरो या पीरी का तीन का तंखे नंबा नखरा यंखे अंबा नो हम जगो ओपिसा जोली जाती खे नंबा बेलाई नाई थगो जादुयो Nani kapani shura Nani kapani shura Nagre kari ui kormoti thangtero Ganati koli bai likhe Kisha joli jagaya likti tero Ya piri ka tinka tangke Nangba nakra inke Nangba no hamzago Okisa joli jagti ke Nangba belai nai thogo Jaduyo Nani kapan mishura Nani kapan mishura
Haba say din khaye ta toy ti lung ma song bai ru tu tao la khaye
Isu sario isu ye haba say din khaye ta toy tu nang ha song bai na ta kho ha chalai
go si wai ha phai jora tu tho mo jora
Chulu khurang klasa bi khe changkol ni jora
changkol ni jora changkol ni jora changkol ni jora
Mai no ma vai khulong mang lo khum so mo jora khum so mo jora
Sarai jarak sumu khurang klasa bi khe tong lang mai nai ya tong lang mai nai ya Baroti to ka phai mi se baroti to ka phai mi se to tui khang mi se chung le to tui khang mi se baroti to ka phai mi se baroti to ka phai mi se to tui khang mi se chung le to tui khang mi se sa si wa la la nu kha pi la la sa si wa la la nu kha pi la la Bagra yuk ma ne klai phai di to tui khang ni phai mi se Bagra yuk ma ne klai phi di to tui khang ni phai mi se
Ham yo ma thang nang mi bera bu thang maya Khru ka tung mi mu ha se chung maya
Ham yang ma thang nang mi Mera bu thang maya Khru ka tung mi Mu ha se chung maya
Akol rang zau ma Bri bu nei thau ma Nusa ni krung ma Nung le umsa ni bu krung ma Khasnam ke dinam Nini chang du no Khasnam ke dinam Nini chang du no
Kaisnam ke dinam Na te lai rong no Kaisnam ke dinam Na te lai rong no
Ngày thong nâng từ ma sơ nó mang nay na ni ang mo chung do có bor khai cái lang kha na ga no có bor khai cái lang kha
laika no no mang no wan shuk jago ang le
Mota mo khai mak laika mota mo hai mak laika nei ni mang til sapung hopung no nu tongo
lai thong nang tamasha no no mang nai na ni ang mo chungo kobor khai kelang kha nanga no kobor khai kelang kha
That was such an amazing performance. So, tell me, audience, did you enjoy it? Yes, I enjoyed it too. So, let's give a big round of applause for them.
tuk deki murka kanipa lage tuk deki murka kanipa lage bihure ekoi tolite nasuna hasu lage bihure ekoi tolite nasuna hasu lage.
Well, Grace, I didn't know you could sing so well in Assamese.
Well, me neither, but that's how I was performing for the theme by breaking the boundaries between us and unleashing our potentials together.
Being a Malayali, you made an effort to sing that song and also dance to its beats. It's just incredible.
Oh, thank you so much. You did well in joining me too.
Well, thank you. But now, I'd also like our audience to feel the same energy. So, it is my pleasure to introduce a dance that embodies the vibrant spirit of Assam, the Bihu dance.
Through lively movements and rhythmic beats and a colorful attire, the Bihu dance aims to reflect on the essence of joy, unity, and resilience.
Our talented performers will transport us to the lush landscapes of Assam, where tradition meets festivity in a celebration of culture and community. And we'd also like to extend our heartfelt gratitude to the teacher in charge, Ms. Ankita Singha Roy,
Sir
Rajat Das, and Ms. Kakali Devnath.
So audience, get ready for the mesmerizing performance!
Hey kosari kosari hunu al kosari hodiyak patilo than yoy puja diboloike juriya kahori arula gita mulpan yoy kosari hunu ahal kosari 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 hunu ahal kosari hodiya patilo than puja diboloike juriya gahori puja diboloike juriya gahori arula gita mol pan
ওই উজনিৰে হলি তই নামনিৰে ডেকা মই উজনিৰে হলি তই নামনিৰে ডেকা মই তথাপি মৰমবোৰ তথাপি চেনেহ দিবিনে মোক ঢোল বাব নেজানো বিহু গাব মই নেজানো
বগলী পৰিব ফুল বুলি ভাবি আমাৰে নাচনীৰ গানত
জানৈ শুনৈ সৰু মাই দেহ মাই কুলিয়ে ঐ বিনালে এ জানৈ শুনৈ সৰু মাই দেহ মাই বৰদৈ চিলা আহিলে এ জানৈ শুনৈ সৰু মাই দেহ মাই সৰু মাই দেহ মাই উঘা মাকৰ শুনিছো উঘা মাকৰ শুনিছো জানৈ শুনৈ যোৱা বেলিৰ বিহু নাম জানৈ শুনৈ জুৰিবলৈ থাকিলা জানৈ শুনৈ এই বেলি এৰাতে নাই নাচনি নাচি দে বিহু বিহু লাগিছে বৰ বিহু লাগিছে গাত বিহু বিহু লাগিছে বৰ বিহু লাগিছে গাত
Tukteki murka kanipa lage bihure koi tolite nasuna hasu lage bihure koi tolite nasuna hasu lage
It seems that the Bihu spirit haven't left you yet.
Yes, indeed. With every beat of the dole and every move of the dances, we were transported to the heart of Assam's Bihu celebration. Such an energetic and enthusiastic performance. Isn't that right, Abhinav?
Exactly. We're thrilled to present you a unique fashion parade which has been taken care by Miss Mary De Burma and Miss Aparupa Shah, celebrating the spirit of breaking boundaries and unleashing potential across all the professions. This isn't just about outfits, it's about honoring the courage, talent, and determination that drives people to excel in every field, starting from medical and engineering to arts and sciences.
So as each participant steps onto the stage, they represent not just a profession, but a powerful story of ambition, hard work, and the endless possibilities that may arise when someone goes and think out of the box. So let's cheer them on as they inspire us to dream big and pursue our passion, no matter where they may lead. So please enjoy the show, everyone.
Tonight, I lost another fight. Lost to myself, but I'll just start again. I keep falling down, I keep on hitting the ground, but I always get up now to see what's next. Birds don't just fly, they fall down and get up. Nobody learns without getting it wrong. I won't give up, no, I won't give in till I reach the end, and then I'll start again. No, I won't leave. I wanna try everything. I wanna try even though I could fail. I won't give up, no, I won't give in till I reach the end, and then I'll start again. No, I won't leave. I wanna try everything. I wanna try even though I could fail. Try everything. Try everything. Try everything. Look how far you've come. You filled your heart with love. Baby, you've done enough. Take a deep breath. Don't beat yourself up. No need to run so fast. Sometimes we come last, but we did our best. I won't give up, no, I won't give in till I reach the end, and then I'll start again. No, I won't leave. I wanna try everything. I wanna try even though I could fail. I won't give up, no, I won't give in till I reach the end, and then I'll start again. No, I won't leave. I wanna try everything. I wanna try even though I could fail. I'll keep on making those new mistakes. I'll keep on making them every day. Those new mistakes. Try everything. Try everything. Try everything. Try everything. Do you ever feel like a plastic bag drifting through the wind, wanting to start again? Do you ever feel so paper thin, like a house of cards, one blow from caving in? Do you ever feel already buried deep, 6 feet under screens, but no one seems to hear a thing? Do you know that there's still a chance for you? 'Cause there's a spark in you. You just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just on the night, like the 4th of July. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come on, show 'em what you're worth. Make 'em You're original, cannot be replaced. If you only knew what the future holds. After a hurricane comes a rainbow. Maybe a reason why all the doors are closed, so you could open one that leads you to the perfect road. Like a lightning bolt, your heart will glow, and when it's time you'll know. You just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just own the night like the 4th of July. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come on, show 'em what you worth. Make 'em go as you shoot across the sky. Baby, you're a firework. Come on, let your colors burst. Make 'em go you're gonna leave 'em all in boom, boom, boom. Even brighter than the moon, moon, moon. It's always been inside of you, you, you. And now it's time to let it through. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come on, show 'em what you're worth. Make 'em go as you shoot across the sky. Baby, you're a firework. Come on, let your colors burst. Make 'em go you're gonna leave 'em all in even brighter than the moon, moon, moon.
Who have worked tirelessly to make this show come alive.
Every stage, every design, every model work truly dedicates their passion and dedication. Let's take a moment to truly appreciate them.
Now it's time for our next item, which is also going to be my personal favorite, as being a proud Manipuri, my culture and dance heritage has always been dear to me. And I'm also pretty sure it's going to be the best one.
Is it? But have you seen the togetherness and folk dance of Mizo people? Their performances will surely lift up your energy. Did you forget that, Neelam?
No, I didn't forget. I'm confident Manipuri will be the best.
And I'm confident too that Mizo is going to be the best.
No, it's Manipuri.
It's Mizo.
It's Manipuri.
It's Mizo.
Oh, my. You two started again? I think both of you are forgetting something.
What it is, Grace?
Oh, wait. Are we forgetting Nepali dancers?
Well, that too, but not quite. You're forgetting that dance is a universal language and all types of dance share a common thread. That is the ability to connect us and to our loved ones.
Indeed, that's true.
Well, can't argue with that.
So audience, get ready to feel the spirit of the hills with in the combination of Mizo,
Manipuri,
and Nepali dance.
And we'd also like to thank the teacher in charge for this item. For Manipuri, we have Miss Lucy Debarma and Sir Sudeep Suklaboita.
For Mizo, it's Miss Eva Debarma, Sir Sandeep Debarma, and Reverend Father Christopher.
And for Nepali, it's Miss Deepika Shaha and Miss William Debarma.
Basa
What a stunning performance! Truly, it was a beautiful reminder of the deep cultural roots we all share. The grace, the rhythm, and the colors. It was indeed a true celebration of a heritage and an identity.
Hey Abhinav, have you ever thought how dances in different parts of the world are so different?
Exactly. Like here in India, we have a classical and folk dances that are rich in tradition. But if we cross over to the other side of the globe, there are so many other styles.
So should we take our audience on a journey to explore the world of some freestyle dance?
Certainly, why not? All right, everyone. So let's step out of our traditional shoes and step into the world of freestyle light dance under the guidance of Ms. Shashwati Nandi,
Sir Samanjoy Riyang,
and Sir Salom De Burma. So put your hands together and welcome our fantastic freestyle light dancers on the stage.
The club isn't the best place to find the lovers, so the bar is where I go. Me and my friends at the table doing shots, tripping fast, and then we talk slow. And you come over and start up a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Now take my hand, stop it, and the man on the jukebox, and then we start to dance. And now I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me.
at the coupe at the lot. Told him fuck 12, fuck SWAT. Busting all the bells out the box. I just hit a lick with the box. Had to put the stick in the box. Pour up the whole damn seal. I'ma get lazy. I got the mojo deals. We been trapping like the 80s. She said the nigga so. Got the cash out. Told him wipe a nigga no. Say slash slash. I won't never sell my soul. And I can back that. And I really wanna know where you at, where? I was at back, where the stash at? Cruise the city in a bulletproof Cadillac. Cause I know these niggas out there where the bag at.
You and me, tell me where you wanna go. Push you now, you can keep the Prada, baby. You and me, somewhere in Bora Bora. Diamond girl, I'ma need a come and come.
Working the back, CC the shoes. Visa the cash, I'm chadde ne loose. Pool jacuzzi, deep with the shallow. Kitte tu launa, jump up and juice. ਤੈਨੂੰ ਦੱਸ ਕਿਸ ਗੱਲ ਦੀ ਪਰਵਾਹ ਬੇਬੇ ਦੇਖ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਲੋਕ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਆਰਾਰੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਸ਼ੇਰਾਂ ਵਾਂਗੂ ਘੁੰਮਦੇ ਲਾਲ ਰੰਗੀ ਜਾਰੀ ਤੋਂ ਰੰਗ ਜੀ ਦਾ ਖਾਣਾ ਵੇ ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਦੱਸ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਜਾਣਾ ਵੇ
Push you now, you can keep the Prada, baby.
ਤੂੰ ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਬੋਰਾ ਬੋਰਾ ਬੰਗਲੇ
Diamond girl, I'ma need a come and come. You and me,
ਦੱਸ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਜਾਣਾ ਵੇ
push you now,
ਇਹ ਲੈਣਾ ਤੂੰ ਬਰਾਲਾ ਵੇ
you and me.
ਬੋਰਾ ਬੋਰਾ ਬੰਗਲੇ ਸਾਰੀ ਉਂਗਲਾਂ 'ਚ ਨੱਕ ਜਾਣੂ ਰੰਗਲੇ ਸਾਰੀ ਉਂਗਲਾਂ 'ਚ ਨੱਕ ਜਾਣੂ ਰੰਗਲੇ ਸਾਰੀ ਉਂਗਲਾਂ 'ਚ ਨੱਕ ਜਾਣੂ
किए हैं कुछ इरादे मिली है जो अब ये मुलाकातें कोई जादू होने को है तेरी मेरी हुई आंखों आंखों में जो बातें मिली है जो अब ये मुलाकातें कोई जादू होने को है I'm feeling it tonight. Bang bang, रात भर बात कर तू मेरे साथ चल दिल पे चला है जादू जाने क्यों. Bang bang, रात भर बात कर तू मेरे साथ चल दिल पे चला है जादू जाने क्यों. Bang bang, bang bang, bang bang, जाने क्यों. Bang bang. That body on me. Coming now, follow my lead. Coming now, follow my lead. I'm in love with the shape of you. Pushing through like a magnet. And my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. Last night you were in my room. And now my bed sheets smell like you. Something brand new. I'm in love with the shape of you.
The movements were so powerful and artful that it has truly shaken the stage.
Yes, you're right, Grace. But audience, we have something really special for you. We invite you to immerse yourselves in the soulful melodies of Qawwali.
That's right, and what better way to experience it than with a timeless classic?
Absolutely. This beautiful song is more than just music. It's a heartfelt prayer, a supplication to the divine for love, peace, and enlightenment. And tonight, we have some talented budding artists who will bring it to life.
So, audience, get ready for the truly transformative experience. Our artists are about to weave the sonic tapestry of love, devotion, and spiritual longing.
We first would like to offer our gratitude to Sir Subrata Banik, Ms. Kakuli Chakrabarti, and Ms. Jayantia Paul for their dedication in making this performance a beautiful one. So please join us in welcoming our marvelous Qawwali singers as they guide us on their soulful musical journey.
Audience, let's give them a big round of applause.
चाहे ऐ नबी तू बुलाता है तेरे दर पर सर झुकाए मैं आया हूँ जिसकी बिगड़ी है नबी चाहे तू बनाता
भर दो झोली मेरी या मोहम्मद लौट कर मैं न जाऊंगा खाली भर दो झोली मेरी या मोहम्मद लौट कर मैं न जाऊंगा खाली भर दो झोली मेरी या मोहम्मद लौट कर मैं न जाऊंगा खाली भर दो झोली मेरी या मोहम्मद लौट कर मैं न जाऊंगा खाली बंद नींदों में भर डाले आंसू सिल दिए मैंने दर्दों को दिल में
बंद नींदों में भर डाले आंसू सिल दिए मैंने दर्दों को दिल में
तलक तू बना लेना मेरी दर्स तेरे न जाए सवारी भर दो झोली मेरी या मोहम्मद लौट कर मैं न जाऊंगा खाली भर दो झोली आका जी भर दो झोली हम सबकी भर दो झोली नबी की भर दो झोली मेरी सरकारे मदीना लौट कर मैं न जाऊंगा खाली खोज दे तुझको देखो क्या से क्या या नबी हो गया हूँ खोज दे तुझको देखो क्या से क्या या नबी हो गया हूँ बेखबर दर बदर फिर रहा हूँ मैं यहाँ से वहाँ हो गया हूँ बेखबर दर बदर फिर रहा हूँ मैं यहाँ से वहाँ हो गया हूँ दे दिया नबी मेरे दिल को दिलासा आया हूँ दूर से मैं हो के रुहासा दे दिया नबी मेरे दिल को दिलासा आया हूँ दूर से मैं हो के रुहासा कर दे करम रे नबी मुझ पे भी जरा सा जब तलक तू पना देना दिल की दर से तेरे न जाए सवाली भर दो झोली मेरी या मोहम्मद लौट कर मैं न जाऊंगा खाली भर दो झोली मेरी ताजदारे मदीना लौट कर मैं न जाऊंगा खाली भर दो झोली मेरी या मोहम्मद लौट कर मैं न जाऊंगा खाली
जानता है न तू क्या है दिल में मेरे बिन सुने गिन रहा है न तू धड़कने जानता है न तू क्या है दिल में बिन सुने गिन रहा है न तू धड़कने आह निकली है तो चांद तक जाएगी तेरे ताने झोली, हम सबकी भर दो झोली, नबी जी भर दो झोली मेरी सरकारे मदीना, लौट कर मैं न जाऊंगा खाली। दम अली अली 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 दम अली अली दम अली अली दम अली 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 दम अली अली दम अली अली दम अली 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 दम अली अली दम अली अली दम अली 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 दम 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 अली अली दम
वाह 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 कव्वाली सिंगर्स, दिल छू लिया। Kawali singers, wherever you are, your voices have reached into our souls and lifted the spirits. Let's take a moment to truly appreciate them.
I totally agree with you, but our next performance will take you to the heart of Rajasthan, a land known for its rich tradition, colorful culture, and magnificent folk dances.
Exactly, Debatrita. Rajasthani folk dances isn't just a display of rhythm, but the celebration of life itself.
Their dance form tells a story of the state's history, culture, and values. So relax and let the beauty of Rajasthan mesmerize you.
We'd also like to thank the teacher in charge,
Miss Chandrima Datta
and Miss Anuradha Bhattacharjee for their guidance. Let's welcome Rangila Rajasthan on the stage.
पधारो हमारे देश में, अब मिठारे दिखाओ हमरे राजस्थान का रंग।
शादी के सफर से शुरू हुई एक नई कहानी, जुड़े कुछ नई जिंदगी।
पर क्या ये समझ अपनाने को तैयार है उन नई जिंदगियों को?
होरी चिड़ैया नन्ही सी चिड़िया, अंगना में फिर आजा रे। होरी चिड़ैया नन्ही सी चिड़िया,
अंगना में फिर आ जा रे अंधियारा है घना और लहू से सना किरणों के तिनके अंबर से चुनके अंगना में फिर आ जा रे हमने तुझ पे हजारों सितम है किए हमने तुझ पे जहां भर के जुल्म किए हमने सोचा नहीं तू जो उड़ जाएगी ये ज़मीं तेरे बिन सूनी रह जाएगी किसके दम पे सजेगा मेरा अंगना ओरी चिरैया मेरी चिरैया अंगना में फिर आ जा रे
क्यों एक छोरी को पैदा होने से उनके परिवार को पछतावा हो तो हो
क्या एक छोरी इस समाज में सपने देख सकती है
क्या छोरियों के सपने सच नहीं हो सकते
क्या इस समाज में सिर्फ छोरों को सपने देखने का अधिकार है
बाबुल प्यारे सजन सखारे सुनो मेरी मैया बोझ नहीं मैं किसी के सर का ना मझधार में नैया पतवार बनूंगी लहरों से लड़ूंगी हर मुझे क्या बेचेगा रुपया हो अरे मुझे क्या बेचेगा रुपया कल बाबा की उंगली को थामे चली थी कल बाबा की लाठी भी बन जाऊंगी अम्मा तेरे घरों देखी चिड़िया हूँ मैं दाना लेकर ही वापस घर आऊंगी जिसकी फितरत में हैरत समाई नहीं जिसको दौलत से ज्यादा मैं भाई नहीं ऐसे साजन की मुझको जरूरत नहीं ना कहने का सुन लो मुहूर्त यही अकेली चलूंगी किस्मत से मिलूंगी हर मुझे क्या बेचेगा रुपया हो हर मुझे क्या बेचेगा रुपया
छोरियों की उन नन्हे नन्हे कदमों ने जैसे भर दी हो दुनिया की सारी खुशियाँ उस घर में
छोरियों की छोटी सी मुस्कुराहट में दुनिया भर की खुशियाँ बसती है और उनकी आंखों में सपनों का आसमान चमकता है उन्हें उनका आसमान छूने दो उनके कदमों को रोकना मत
बांधो मत उनको इस दुनिया की जंजीरों में जीतने दो उनको ये दुनिया जीने दो उनको अपनी जिंदगियाँ
चलिए छोरियों की जीत का जश्न मनाएं
चलिए छोरियों की आज़ादी का जश्न मनाएं
रंगीला भारो ढोलना ढोलना वे रंगीला भारो ढोलना ढोलना वे
अगर लड़के घर के ताकत होते हैं तो लड़कियां भी घर के उजाला होती है। चलो बनाए एक ऐसी दुनिया जहां मिले सबको अपनी खूबसूरत आशियाना।
A very good evening to everyone. Our respected principal, Reverend Father Sebastian Palati, Vice Principal, Reverend Father Dinesh Narjari, Rector, Reverend Father Christopher Wallarpi, Father Provincial, Reverend Father John Josiama, all the guests and parents, teachers, and all my dear fellow Bosconians. As this memorable evening draws to a close, I feel privileged to extend my heartfelt gratitude to each of you who made this event truly special. I thank all my dear teachers for your kind initiative, taking over the program and putting your efforts for teaching us and making this annual day event a grand success. I thank everyone for your wonderful performances, making this annual day event mesmerizing and charming. I also thank all those who work tirelessly behind the scenes, the representatives of the press, print and electronic media, light and sound, and those who have supported us with their presence. Our sincere gratitude to all the parents and well-wishers whose support and presence inspire us to aim higher. And to my fellow Bosconians, your enthusiasm and hard work made this evening a joy for us all to witness. Last but not the least, to everyone gathered here, thank you for sharing this evening with us, celebrating this achievement, and for being part of our school's journey. Let's carry forward the spirit of this evening and continue to shine brightly together. Thank you, and may these wonderful memories stay with us forever.
As we wrap up, I invite everyone to join us in a resounding echo for the magnificent spirit that Don Bosco has instilled in all of us. We request everyone to stand up for the school anthem.
Standing tall under the eastern sky, loving your hand will lift our pride. Striving ever with might and main, our mortal virtue and knowledge to gain. Throughout our lives, we make great strides with our mentor, Don Bosco. Sometimes
Thank you, everyone. Now we would like everyone to cheer for Don Bosco by saying 3 times, Viva Don Bosco! Viva Don Bosco! Viva Don Bosco!